Hi, now we will make the wood chandelier. First, fix the ceiling. Take out the screw. Take out this part and fix in the ceiling. In your ceiling, fix it with 2 screws. Now this is the column. We take out this one, the parts, and we start to fix the wooden arm. In the wooden arm we take out the ring. And the iron ring, we take it out, then we put it inside the hole. And we put the ring first. Then we fix it. We fix it in the column. Then we make more tie. This way. Then another arm. The ring. And again we make die. After we fix all the arm, this is the wire. Each wire he has 2 lines. It's the blue and brown. Blue, brown, blue, brown, blue, brown. Each arm has the blue and brown. Okay, now we start to fix the blue color wires together and the brown wire together. The blue together, blue color wire, we fix it together, and the brown together. As we can see, all the brown together, all the blue together. Okay, in the main column also go out 2 lines. 1 line we fix it with the brown. Now no problem this with the brown or this with the brown, but one with the brown, one with the blue. No problem if we turn, if this with the brown or this with the brown. This the main column wire, no any problem. We can fix it, one of them, one with the brown, one with the blue. We fix together, then in the inside the bag, in the backing, there is this red hat. After we fix together, we put the red hat and we turn. We keep turning till it will fix it together. Then we take the another one, the another line with the blue, also the another hat we put it, then we turn. We turn till we feel it's overturning, like this way. And now it's the electric wire, it's ready. We try to put the wire inside. We cover it with the cover and we close in the wood end. Now it's already ready. Now it's ready, the chandelier for the electric. We take out this part, we take it out. We put the iron shed inside. Then we take the part and we put it to hold the iron shed. We can see this part how hold the iron shed from inside. And now the iron shed is ready. Then we take the bulb, we add the bulb inside. And we do this way for all the arms. And before we put it in the ceiling, we try to try it, that everything going okay. For all the arm the same way, we take off this one and we put the bulb. Thank you.